This is Big Hawk.
And Little Colt.
Let's get our game on.
Let's go! Next time, Gary, look at back another IRL video. Oh yeah, look at all these good cards. Oh yes. Okay, so we're just gonna do normal 2, 1, 1. That one. Let's get it. That in the back, that in the back. First,
What we gonna start
second
with
to last. Panini Contenders.
Okay.
Past hit.
So these.
Tom Brady. 99. Champions ticket. Let's go.
Cool. So what we got? If you missed the first video, we have these right here. Then we have some hobby box of the certified, and we have some contenders. I think we got 24 packs, and we got absolute. So if you missed the first video, make sure you check that one out.
Okay. Vincent Jackson.
Let's go.
Matt Ryan.
Let's go.
Andre Johnson.
All right.
Jared Cook.
Ooh.
Colin Kaepernick.
You think he'll go to the? They were saying he might go to the Ravens.
I don't think so.
Yeah, because their quarterback got hurt.
Ooh, Jamal Charles.
Yes.
Sam Bradford.
Ooh.
And Rookie of the Year, Melvin Gordon. That's what we're looking for. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
Die cut. We'll take that die cut action. Let's go. What you open up now? Absolute?
2014 Absolute.
Yep, 20-year anniversary.
Colin Kaepernick.
Let's go.
Monte Ball. Rob Gronkowski.
Let's go.
Adrian Peterson. I keep hitting like the corners every time. Marquise Jones-Drew.
Okay.
Larry Fitzgerald.
Let's go.
Jeremy Maclin. Stacy. Rookie Ryan Grant. Ooh, red rookie Trevor Ridley. No number on that.
Okay.
Let's get into some Prism.
Yep. Ooh, that's a cool one though. This refractor. Not even refractor, but the rookie. This is a red rookie instead of a silver one.
Okay. First card is James Harrison.
Yep.
Ooh. Kurt Warner.
Die cut.
Die cut of it's Rookie Revolution Ty Montgomery.
Ooh.
No number.
Okay.
Then we got Devontae Parker rookie card.
Cool. Let's go.
Next Panini Contenders pack.
Let's go. We need to heat back up. I don't know if you can top that Tom Brady. You think you can top the Tom Brady?
Maybe in the certified.
Yeah.
Marquise Colston, Jarvis Landry.
Let's go.
Adrian Peterson, Justin Forsett.
Yep.
Aaron Rodgers.
Ooh.
Phillip Rivers. Alfred Morris. Emil Sanders.
Yeah.
No hits.
No hits yet. Maybe you think a big hit for this one.
Last card, Drew Brees.
Okay. Cool. Let's get into it.
Big Daddy.
Ooh, Big Daddy at the
Calvin
end.
Benjamin.
Let's go.
Javon Clowney. Filler card, that means it's going to be a hit right here. Big BC. $4.99. Relic.
There we go.
And then
Ooh,
champion.
Tom Brady.
Then certified champions. Oh.
Ooh.
No number, but still a little cool.
Yep.
Insert. And then we have Drew Brees.
Cool. So you'll go over the hits.
Okay, so the hits of this episode were Rookie Revolution Ty Montgomery.
Yep.
Trevor Ridley. Rookie of the Year Melvin Gordon.
Yep.
Big BC number to $4.99.
Yep. And when you said that rookie right here for the Packers, make sure you check this out because it's going to be in our team set on our eBay site. So you can add the team cards to your collection. So this is what is this, day 2?
Yep, day 2.
So make sure you guys stay tuned till we get all these packs knocked out before the season starts. So if you haven't already, make sure you press the subscribe button.
Right. Dude, that was in peace.